Get ready to see some of the most powerful and advanced machines in action. From shredders that crush entire cars, to massive excavators handling raw materials, and even tunnel washers that clean like giant car washes. These machines are built to handle extreme jobs with precision and power. Whether it's mining, road paving, snow clearing, or massive lifting operations, you're about to witness technology at its finest. AR's Titan 950 is a powerful double-shaft shredder. It easily crushes wood, construction debris, scrap metal, and even old cars. Powered by a strong Volvo Penta diesel engine, it handles tough jobs with great efficiency. Liebherr excavators and cranes. Liebherr makes strong mining and transport machines. There are 976 excavator sorts and handles raw materials, even in dusty conditions. They also make ship-based excavators to clean lake beds, perfect for shallow water work. Vanum Drain installs underground drainage pipes for farmland. Their machine cuts the soil and lays pipes in one smooth motion. This helps prevent waterlogging, keeps the soil healthy, and improves crop growth. Komatsu's continuous miner cuts through rock walls using a rotating cutting head. It breaks hard rock into dust quickly and works non-stop, making it ideal for mining operations. Gomaco Concrete Paving. Gomaco makes machines that pour and smooth concrete. Their systems ensure level surfaces with smart controls, easy settings, and accurate measurements for perfect road paving. Road Zipper System. The road zipper quickly moves concrete barriers to change road lanes in real time. This makes traffic management flexible while keeping drivers safe. KOLZ Tunnel Washing Truck. KOLZ's tunnel washer uses high-pressure water and spinning brushes to clean tunnels without soap, like an upside-down car wash. This keeps tunnels clean and safe for drivers. Zandhandle FOSBV dredges sand from water bodies for construction, nature reserves, and beaches. Sometimes, extra sand is added to protect beaches from erosion caused by waves and tides. Bielhack Snowblower clears snow from train tracks in one quick pass, even during heavy storms. It keeps railways open and safe during winter. World Power Erkin Cranes. World Power Erkin makes huge knuckle boom cranes like the ER450, which can lift 150 tons. They also offer different models for various lifting needs in construction and transportation.